Ever noticed how your Flip 7 charges painfully slow when you need it most? In today's video, I've gathered 6 fast chargers that seriously change the game. Welcome to the channel, your go-to spot for tech that actually delivers. All links are in the description. So let's speed things up together. The number 6 product on our list is Baseus 100-watt wall charger. Ever wondered why your phone heats up, charges slow, or battles with tangled cables when you're already racing against time? That's where this 100-watt powerhouse quietly changes the rhythm. Designed for those who love seamless experiences like riders do with their trusted gear from the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 bike mounts, this charger delivers more than just speed. It offers peace of mind. With 3 ports and smart power allocation, it feels like every device gets its own lane on the fast track. It stays cool even under pressure thanks to its advanced cooling technology, making it feel safe to plug in and walk away. And unlike chunky alternatives, it folds up and fits perfectly in your travel kit without hogging socket space. The build screams premium and the performance lives up to it. While some might wish for a longer cable out of the box, what you gain in reliability, speed and versatility easily outweighs it. Ideal for those who crave zero compromises, especially on the go. Number 5 is SwanScout Charging Station. Ever felt the mess of cables ruin your bedtime vibe or clutter your hotel desk on a short trip? This sleek little station brings the kind of relief that reminds us why we invest in smart tech. Just like the gear in the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 bike mounts lineup, it's built for real-world ease. With a fold-flat design, it's perfect for on-the-go users who don't want to compromise on comfort or space. Its adjustable phone angle and one-thug charging control make it feel surprisingly intuitive. The added digital clock is a thoughtful bonus, especially when you're trying to wind down and want minimal screen glow. The biggest plus? Dedicated spots for your phone, watch and earbuds that keep everything in sync without feeling bulky or complicated. On the flip side, remember, you'll need your own 18-watt brick, but if you're tired of juggling chargers and want something that blends seamlessly into daily life, this is one smart upgrade worth every inch of your nightstand. Number 4 is XOUBZ's wall charger. Imagine charging your phone from nearly dead to 85% in just half an hour. Sounds unreal, right? That's the kind of speed XOUBZ brings, and it's a game changer for anyone always on the move. Just like those smart solutions featured in the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 bike mounts. This wall charger doesn't just plug in, it powers through. With a 45-watt delivery system and a 5-amp cable included, it's engineered for serious performance, yet small enough to slip into your pocket or desk drawer. What I love is the peace of mind. 16 built-in protections quietly working behind the scenes to keep your phone safe while you sleep or stream. No noise, no overheating, just pure efficiency. Whether you're switching between your Z Flip, a Tab S9 or even a Galaxy Book, this single charger adapts with ease if you're someone who values time, safety and simplicity. This is your kind of upgrade. Just be sure to pair it with quality accessories for full impact. The third one on our list is TORRAS FlexLine 67-watt wall charger. What if your wall charger didn't just power your phone but organized your entire charging experience with style and silence? That's the vibe with the TORRAS FlexLine 67-watt unit. And much like those sturdy solutions in the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 bike mounts, it redefines what practical tech feels like. With retractable cable magic and dual-chip intelligence, this isn't just fast, it's brilliantly aware. I tested it across a busy workspace setup, a Galaxy device, a Kindle, and even my tablet, and it managed everything effortlessly. No heating drama, no tangles, just smooth, adjustable reach and consistent performance. The GAN 3-chip and temperature tracking give you that rare sense of safety often missing from generic chargers. It's sleek, folds clean into travel bags, and delivers punchy speeds with quiet confidence. Honestly, if you're someone juggling multiple devices and crave a smarter, decluttered life, this is your upgrade. For casual users or power multitaskers, it's not just about charging, it's about recharging how you live. Number 2 is Spigen's 65-watt all charger. Ever wondered if a charger could match the smart efficiency of those durable clamp mounts in the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 bike mounts list? That's exactly what this Spigen 65-watt unit pulls off. Power with intelligence and portability. From the moment you plug in, there's this quiet reassurance. Dual USB-C support. power delivery, PPS compatibility, and GAN cooling all working together behind the scenes. I charged my Z Flip tablet and even a laptop in sync. No heat build-up, no hesitation. Its compact body feels travel-ready, like it belongs in every backpack and bedside drawer without eating up space. Compared to bulkier options, it's shockingly light, but don't mistake that for weakness. The build quality screams durability, and the speed is every bit as fast as advertised. For commuters, tech minimalists, or anyone tired of unreliable bricks, this solves the pain instantly. It's not for someone who only charges overnight. It's for people who charge on the move and demand consistency. Now, moving to the last one is Geyo wireless charger. Most chargers are designed to work. Geyo is designed to fit. For Z Flip users, the challenge has always been awkward alignment, loose docks, or clunky designs, but this sleek little solution eliminates the hassle in a way that feels custom-built. Just like the reliable grip of top picks in those rugged phone mounts from the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 bike mounts, Geyo grips your charging routine with perfect precision. It's so compact you might miss it at first glance, but its speed and stability hit you immediately. The 15-watt output genuinely makes a difference, and the way it protects your port from daily wear feels like future-proofing. Unlike some wireless options, it doesn't overheat or buzz. It just works, quietly and confidently. Yes, it's not foldable, and thick cases can be an issue, but once dialed in, it delivers consistent performance. Ideal for minimalists, travelers, and those who hate tangled cables, this is relief in the form of power. As this was the video about the 6 best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 fast chargers. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!